Hey, what's up YouTube and TikTok? So I've been using this trick in my C programming for the past 10 years or so, but it basically lets me never have to worry about writing loops like ever again. And I just wanted to create this video and share. We're going to create a macro here. It's going to be called fast loop start count, and we're going to assign an int, and then the count is going to be count, and then we're going to do for, which is the type, and then I equals 0, and then I is less than the count, and then I plus plus, and then we're going to finish that off with a left curly brace. And I don't know why it's adding that. Okay, so that's going to be the fast loop start part of it, and then we're going to do a define, which is fast loop end, and that's going to be the right curling bracket. And this is how you use the code. It's a C macro, and I've been using it in production for years, and it's so cool. Watch this. Fast loop start. Let's see if I want to iterate through something 10 times, right? So I do fast loop start 10, and then I do printf, my epic loop, and then I do like this. Well, and then I print out the I. You can actually use the inner local variables from the macro directly in your code. It's really cool. Fast loop end, and then we run this and watch. Boom! It's so cool. So now you never have to write loops again. It's all right here. This trick is awesome. I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's totally bug free. You can put any type of expressions you want in the parentheses right here if you're getting the amount of if you're doing like complex math equations or any type of stuff, you can fit everything right here, and it's just cool. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.